There's a big difference between someone who's actually marketed their own business and someone who hasn't, right? Because someone who's marketed their own business can feel your pain, right? Because they probably came into it, spent a lot of money, know the effects and the feelings of wasting a lot of money, and they don't want to do that for you. And sometimes you hire someone who's never done it for themselves, and they're willing to say, "Hey, put $100 budget. Hey, pay me $2,000 a month. Hey, pay me 10% of your Google ads," which I don't recommend. When people say that, I don't recommend people charging you based on the amount of ad spend they spend for you, because now their motivation is to spend more, right? And this happens a lot in the Amazon PPC world, where they'll say to you, "Hey, I charge you 10% on the ad spend." If they're good, it doesn't matter, right? But a lot of the times, they'll say, "I'll charge you 10% on the ad spend," and they'll try to spend for you as much as possible on Google Ads, like 20,000 a month. I've seen it happen. So they can get their 10% commission of 2,000, because the more they spend, that's what they're motivated to spend more, as opposed to conversion. So Amazon PPC is something that I'm kind of passionate about, because I know a lot of people take advantage of people on that. But that's why we have experts within AOE, right? To try to avoid all that. Yeah, pay on performance. Exactly, Wolfgang. That's what I do. I mean, when I was managing big accounts, I used to pay on performance. I used to tell them, "I will save you money before I charge you. Whatever I save you." So if they were spending 20,000 a month on Amazon ads, and they were making, let's say, 500 sales, I'd say, "I'll still make you 500 sales, but you pay me what in between." So if it cost me 7,000 to do 500 sales, then you pay me 50% on top of that. So that way they're still saving 7 or 8 grand, but I'm making a lot more money. And that's how I used to do it. I used to save them money and then just get 50% of what I saved them. It was way better, and I started getting massive clients.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.